Dropshipping. It sounds so easy, right? Find a product, list it, and when someone buys it, a supplier ships it directly to them. No inventory, no packing, no hassle. But if you've been looking into it, you've probably already realized that the no hassle part is a bit of a myth. The real challenge, the one that makes or breaks a store, is finding the right supplier platform. A platform that doesn't just connect you to products, but connects you to quality, speed, and reliability. So, when it comes to the big names, Zendrop and Spocket, which one is actually better for you? For a long time, dropshippers relied on platforms like AliExpress, and while it's still a powerhouse, it comes with a lot of headaches. We're talking about unpredictable shipping times that can stretch for weeks, a wild west of product quality, and the challenge of communication with suppliers on the other side of the world. In response to these problems, platforms like Zendrop and Spocket emerged, promising to fix all of that. They both serve as a bridge between you and vetted suppliers, but they do it in fundamentally different ways. And understanding those differences is key to your success. First, let's talk about Zendrop. Zendrop was founded by dropshippers for dropshippers. Their core mission is to automate the entire fulfillment process and provide a reliable, hands-off solution. You find a product, import it, and when a sale comes in, Zendrop handles the rest. This automation is a huge time saver and lets you focus on marketing and growing your brand. Zendrop primarily sources products from suppliers in China and the US. What sets them apart is their focus on speeding up shipping times, with many US-based products offering delivery in as little as 3 to 7 days. They also offer custom branding and private labeling, which is a massive step up from generic, unbranded packages. You can get branded invoices and even custom packaging, making your store feel like a legitimate business and not just another dropshipping store. Zendrop offers a free plan with limited orders, but to get the real benefits, you'll need one of their paid plans, which start around $49 a month. Now, let's move on to Spocket. Spocket's big selling point is its emphasis on local, high-quality suppliers. The vast majority of their suppliers are based in the US and Europe. This means faster shipping times right out of the gate, with many orders arriving in a matter of days. For a dropshipper targeting these markets, this is a massive competitive advantage. Spocket also places a heavy focus on quality. They have a strict vetting process for their suppliers, ensuring that the products you're selling are reliable and well-made. They also offer branded invoicing, allowing you to add a personal touch to your packages. One unique feature of Spocket is the ability to order samples with a single click, which is an incredible way to check the quality of a product before you start selling it to customers. However, Spocket's pricing is tiered, and some of the best products and features are locked behind their more expensive plans. Their plans also start at a slightly higher price point than Zendrop's. So, which one is better? The truth is, it depends on what you value most. If your primary goal is automation, and you want a system that handles almost everything for you, Zendrop is a fantastic choice. The automation features are top-notch, and the ability to add custom branding is a huge plus for building a long-term business. The trade-off is that while they offer fast shipping, some of their products from Chinese suppliers may still have longer delivery times. On the other hand, if your main priority is speed and high-quality products from local suppliers, Spocket is the clear winner. The focus on US and European suppliers means you can offer your customers fast shipping times consistently, which can lead to higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. The ability to easily order product samples is also a game-changer. The drawback is that the product selection can sometimes be more limited than Zendrop's massive catalog, and their best features are tied to their higher-priced plans. Both platforms are a huge improvement over the traditional AliExpress dropshipping model, but they cater to different needs. Think about your target audience, your budget, and what you're willing to prioritize. Do you want maximum automation, or are you willing to manually place orders for the guarantee of faster, more reliable shipping? The answer to that question will tell you exactly which platform is right for your dropshipping journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.